Imagine supercharging your coding sessions with tools that feel like a secret weapon. First up, Visual Studio Code extensions. This powerhouse can transform your basic editor into a fully customized development environment. From beautifying your code with Prettier to managing databases with SQL tools, the possibilities are endless. Now let's shift gears to debugging. The inevitable task for every developer, top of the list, Debug Digest. This tool lets you debug your JavaScript with precision, providing clear insights into your code's behavior in real time. Next, consider Firebug for web developers using Firefox. It allows you to edit, debug, and monitor CSS, HTML, and JavaScript live in any web page. Last but not least, Chrome DevTools. Built right into the Google Chrome browser, it offers deep access into the internals of your web application and browser, making it indispensable for testing and tweaking. So why settle for less? Enhance your development toolkit today and make your coding smoother and more efficient. Happy coding!